Dinner's ready, everyone. Made it fresh from scratch.
Besties, look what my grandma is trying to feed me.
Sweetheart, maybe don't film.
This looks like something from a dumpster. Disgusting.
I love it, Nana Rose. It's delicious.
Of course the little loser likes peasant food.
What's going on in here?
I'm making Grandma famous. My fans are calling her Granny Garbage Chef.
Antoinette, turn that off right now. That's your grandmother.
Whatever, Mom. It's not my fault her food is gross.
Garbage chef. Maybe my cooking really isn't good anymore.
That's not true, Nana. Your cooking is the best in the whole world.
You're sweet, dear, but maybe I'm just too old-fashioned.
I'm gonna prove it to you, Nana. Just wait.
Hey besties, back with another Granny Garbage Chef update. Her pot pie smelled like wet dog and tasted like cardboard. I swear.
Stop lying for clout, Antoinette. Nana's pot pie was delicious.
Oh yeah? Then what do you think of this?
Nana's cookbook? Why did you take that from her kitchen?
These recipes are like 100 years old. No wonder her food tastes like crap.
Give that back. This is Nana's treasure.
Whatever. I already got my content. Like if you agree, Granny should retire.
Nana, I signed you up for a TV cooking competition.
Oh no, Stephanie, I can't. What if they're right about me?
Antoinette is a liar. You're the best cook I know. Please, Nana.
Well, if you believe in me that much.
Welcome, Grandmas. Show us your heart through your cooking.
I can do this. I can do this.
You can do it, Nana. We believe in you.
Mom and Stephanie think Granny can win. Let's watch her totally bomb this.
Grandmas, are you ready? Let the cooking begin.
First, chop the carrots, celery, and onions. A little bit of thyme and rosemary, just like my mother taught me. And the secret is brushing the crust with love and a little bit of butter.
That aroma, magnificent. Time's up, Grandmas. Now comes the moment of truth, the judging. First up, Nana Rose with her classic homemade pot pie.
Oh my, here goes nothing.
This tastes like love, like coming home. Absolutely perfect.
Excuse me? You're making me look like a liar!
Young lady, you ruined your own reputation by mocking genuine talent.
Do you know how many followers I have? I'll have you fired for this.
Ma'am, you need to leave now.
Our winner by unanimous decision, Nana Rose.
I told you, Nana. I told you.
Look at all these people cheering for you, Mom. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you for believing in me.
What? I lost 80% of my subscribers in an instant? My followers, my reputation, everything is ruined.